Imagine making money while you sleep. Not by luck, but with the power of AI. In 2025, AI isn't just writing essays or creating art, it's building entire income streams. Today, I'll show you 5 ways AI is transforming passive income and how you can start today. Welcome back to Wealth with Sud, where we break down money, investing, and financial freedom made simple. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss future videos on smart wealth building. First, AI investing bots. Platforms like ChatGPT-powered tools and robo-advisors are helping investors automate research, diversify portfolios, and rebalance with precision. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro, AI crunches the numbers for you. Second, AI-powered content creation. People are running faceless YouTube and TikTok channels, using AI for scripts, voiceovers, and editing, earning ad revenue while barely showing their face. Some creators are making thousands per month just with AI automation. Third, AI-driven property management. From pricing Airbnbs dynamically to automating tenant communication, AI saves time and maximizes rental income. You can literally own a rental business that mostly runs itself. Fourth, freelancers are using AI to multiply productivity. For example, offering AI-driven design or copywriting services. At first, it's active income, but once you package your skills into digital products or courses, it becomes passive. And fifth, AI financial planners. Apps like Clio or YNAB now use AI to analyze your spending habits and suggest saving strategies. Over time, the money you save compounds into an automated wealth machine. AI is no longer just futuristic, it's already changing how people build wealth. The key is to start small, automate smart, and let compounding do the rest. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content is worth sharing. And if you want a full breakdown of how to start your own AI-powered YouTube channel for passive income, check out the video I've linked here. Don't wait. AI is moving fast, and the earlier you start, the bigger your advantage.